Luxury majesty. It's all about luxury. The majority of us find it difficult to purchase a home. Even if it's merely a studio apartment, we treat it with the same care as if it were a large country estate. Some homes are clearly out of our reach. The world's most expensive residences are home to the world's most affluent families. We know that some countries are worth less than what it costs to buy these places based on the list price of some of these residences. Some are palaces, while others are houses or skyscrapers. Let's take a look at some of the world's most costly residences. Before jumping into the list, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Palazzo d'Amore, United States. Value: $195 million. This enormous building, located in a posh area, was first constructed in 2014, and at the time, it was thought to be the most pricey residential complex in the country. When its owner, Jeff Green, finished renovating it after spending several years doing so, the property's worth more than doubled. A 15,000 square foot entertainment center, a bowling alley, a 50-seat movie theater, a disco, and even its own vineyard are just a few of the amenities available here. There are also 12 bedrooms and 25 bathrooms. Number 9. Ellison Estate, United States. Value: $200 million. Despite the fact that billionaire Larry Ellison owns multiple homes, his Ellison Estate is arguably the most magnificent. This amazing beachfront property, which is situated in Woodside, California, is unquestionably deserving of continuous attention. It's actually a cluster of homes within of a sizable property, complete with a tea house, a bathhouse, and a man-made lake. With a lodge-style design throughout and all the snug, comfortable velvet sofas and fireplace you could possibly desire, it is made to blend in with its surroundings. It's possibly the coolest lake house in the entire world and provides the ideal setting for a tranquil vacation. Number 8. Fort Fairfield Pond, United States. Value: $248 million. With its expansive grounds and countless amenities, this luxurious estate is ideal for anyone who gets bored fast. A stay here gives guests access to a private basketball court, a 2-lane bowling alley, and a theater with 164 seats in addition to the 39 bathrooms and 29 bedrooms. It is one of the biggest houses in the country and has 12 chimneys, a dining room that is 91 feet long, a room for playing pool, 2 tennis courts, and 2 squash courts. Number 7. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco. Value: $330 million. Although the Odeon Tower Penthouse lacks a lawn, it does have breathtaking views of Monaco. It is located at the top of a 560-foot tower and is known as the most expensive apartment in the world. The Odeon Tower Penthouse offers an infinity pool with a slide and a view of the Mediterranean Sea's crystal clear blue waves for those who would like a salt-free swim. The lavish penthouse has a total area of 38,000 square feet that is divided across 5 levels, each of which has 5 kitchens, a dance floor, an opulent restroom, and even a few staff quarters are all present. The estimated cost of a parking place for the property is $330,000. Number 6. Value: $385 million. The Bubble Palace, also known as Les Palais Bowls, is a little different from your typical million-dollar home. This building is shaped like a large, peach-colored bubble, as its name would imply. An aerial picture of Les Palais Bowls depicts a group of circular structures. The round motif is also seen inside. You may find art, swimming pools, and cylinder-shaped mattresses within the Bubble Palace. A Hungarian architect created the luxurious home, which has 10 suites decorated by various modern painters. Along with the obvious rooms, it also has a large outdoor theater with 500 seats and views of the Mediterranean. Number 5. The One United States. In addition to being the most costly home in California, the One Mansion is also regarded as the most expensive home in the U.S. But the One is also troubled by debt and legal problems. This is a stunning property with stunning views in a wonderful setting, despite its limitations. The One includes 9 bedrooms, multiple kitchens, a nightclub, a 4-lane bowling alley, a salon, a home gym, a 50-seat theater, and a jogging track, among other necessities. It boasts 6 additional water elements in addition to the pool, including a jacuzzi and a moat that encircles the opulent home. Number 4. Villa Les Satyrs, France. Value: $450 million. This home is deserving of a spot on the list of the world's most expensive real estate in 2022. This home, which is located in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France, was erected around 1830. In 1904, monarch Leopold II of Belgium purchased a palatial residence appropriate for a king. Built on about 50 acres of land, this house features 19 luxurious rooms with 14 elegantly designed bathrooms. The 18,000-square-foot home has 10 spacious bedrooms with views of the sea. This mansion is a botanist's dream, with over 35 acres of gardens on the property. A ballroom, artworks from the 19th century, and crystal chandeliers are just a few of the unique features of this home. It features a huge stable that can accommodate around 30 mature horses. This house features something for everyone, including an Olympic-sized swimming pool and a library with over 3,000 books. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, France. $750 million. This opulent property on the French Riviera, which previously belonged to King Leopold II of Belgium, is on par, if not more exquisite than the last house on our list. This property, which sits on around 50 acres of land, has 19 luxury rooms and 40 nicely built bathrooms. A variety of sports courts can be found here. The garden, which stretches the length of the property, is home to a variety of lemon and orange trees. This property meets the bill as one of the most costly houses in the world, with antique artwork and valuable. Number 2. Antilia, Mumbai. $1 billion. This tower, owned by one of the world's wealthiest men, is situated in one of the most expensive regions to live in the world. Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries, painstakingly designed the home to meet all of a billionaire's requirements. The operation of the 27-story structure necessitates the employment of 600 people. 6 floors of the structure have dedicated parking spots with a total capacity of 168 vehicles. It has a health spa, 3 swimming pools, and a ballroom. Number 1. The Buckingham Palace, London. $2.9 billion. Buckingham Palace, the home of the Queen of England, will be top on this list of the most expensive houses in the world by 2022. It is not without cause that it is the wealthiest house on the planet. There are 775 rooms in total in this home. 188 of these apartments are reserved for the palace employees. There are a total of 78 baths, 19 staterooms, 52 deluxe bedrooms, 92 offices, and 19 staterooms. The palace gardens alone are enormous, spanning 40 acres. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video about luxury.